Hello everyone, welcome to V4 IAS Notes mobile application video explanation series. In this video, we're going to discuss how to get maximum benefit if you already covered UPSC syllabus, if you already started preparation and completed your syllabus and revising right now. Better if you open the mind map first and read it from first layer to the 7th layer for better understanding of the content in this application. Because the arrangement of the content in this application is almost aligned with the mind maps. For example, let's open the mind map and let's go to the 4th layer and open the core subjects over there. Let's zoom into history subject, history of India. Here you can see inside of history, under history we have prehistory, proto-history and history. Here let's concentrate on history. Under history of India we have ancient, medieval and modern and post-independence history. Now let's go back to the first home page, the first page or the home page. Here you can see here we have core subjects, under that we have history. Inside of history we have prehistory, proto-history, history, and inside of history we have ancient, medieval and modern history and the post-independence history. If you open further, you will get much more folders and tables like that. Better you explore yourself. What I was trying to prove is that if you read mind maps, you will get better understanding of the contents arrangement in this application. Now let's come to the home page again and let's have some doubts on some random concepts. For example, now I want to know the President of India little bit detail, and let me guess in which subjects the President of India will come. And obviously I know it will be inside of a polity. Inside of polity it will be definitely inside of Indian Constitution. Okay, inside of Indian Constitution definitely it should be under it should be inside of the central and state government folder. Okay, inside of central and state government folder it should be the first one, the constitutional position. Let's open the constitutional position folder, the table, and as you can see here, the first one is President of India, is article, description of the position, composition, single individual that we know, and the evolution of the post, term and selection and etc. Everything is here. You know, here I can read the President of India and also simultaneously I can compare the other constitutional positions such as governor, prime minister, chief minister, council of ministers, etc., which give the little bit interesting in learning the concepts. Okay, it's done. Now let's go to the home page again. Okay, now I have little bit confusion in monetary policy tools to control the money supply. So in which subject it will be? Definitely it will be inside of economics. Inside of economics it should be under money, monetary policy and banking and inflation folder. Yes, let me open that, and inside of that it must be in the monetary policy in India. Now here I can see the introductory table on the monetary policy tools, quantitative and qualitative. Let's open the introduction phase. Okay, here you can see here a clear-cut introduction on the monetary policy. Everything is covered here. Everything that is required for the UPSC is clearly covered here. Okay, that's over. Now let's again come to home page, and now I have little bit doubt in space technology. So where it should be? It should be inside of science and technology. Inside of science and technology it should be inside of technology. Inside of technologies it should be inside of space technology. Inside of space technology, what I want to know, important space missions or the space technologies. Let's go to space technologies basics. Here I can see the classification of satellites, space technology in India, major launch vehicles, etc. So I can open anything over here and I can learn it. Better you explore yourself. And let me come to home page, and you know, the exploring part, having doubts on a particular concept and looking for it inside of a particular subject, inside of subtopic, inside of topic, etc., is also a revision for you, because you already revising till fourth layer by exploring some of the concept inside, and it will give a very good understanding of the concept, very good understanding of the syllabus. You will be always knowing the syllabus while using this application itself. I hope you better understood the use of this application than what I explained in this video, because you also a promising aspirant of the UPSC. Thank you so much for watching this video, and let's not just learn, let's remember forever. Thank you.